time, give it up for the Voices of Cedar Street. How are you? Tell everybody who you are.
My name is James Johnson. I'm the minister of music from Cedar Street Baptist Church down in Richmond, Virginia.
Richmond, Virginia, everybody. James Johnson. How long has the choir been together?
Our church is 144 years old, but our ministry, I've been directing it for 3 years.
For 3 years, wow, that's great. Richmond in the house tonight.
One of my favorite songs, because the truth of the matter is that when you go through tragedy and trial and test in life, you begin to realize that there is no way that you can live without him. Y'all did an awesome, awesome job. Y'all started so high, I didn't know where y'all was gonna go. Really, I was like, man, that's a high key. What they gonna do from here? And then when y'all went up, I was like, oh, he trying to kill the tenors. He was trying to kill them. But y'all did a phenomenal job, man. I mean, I love the song. I love the lead was excellent. I mean, just great all the way around.
It was excellent. They connected very well with the audience. I like that. Because if you can't feel it, then don't expect them to feel it. And there's more than I can say, but I'd like to just leave it at that.
Craig?
I thought it was very dynamic. I enjoyed it very much. You took an old song and you kept it true. You kept it true. The arrangement was true to where our church choir used to do it. And it's a lot of y'all, because y'all might not get out of here till 12 o'clock. 92 of y'all, yeah, okay, go. Yeah, y'all be getting out here about 12:30. But I mean, I enjoyed it. And the tenors, man, I really appreciate the fact that their range, I never felt like they hit a ceiling. I felt like they could actually go up a quarter tone even more if they needed to. They had it there. Everybody was so enthusiastic. You looked great, you know. And overall, the night, musicians did great and whatnot, but you guys did a wonderful job. And I'm really interested to see who's going to pull this one out tonight. Yeah, great.
That's right.
That's what I want to say. They were all on pitch.
I gotta say, the lead singer was phenomenal. I gotta tell her, that's the first lady of the church. That's a hard song to sing, and she was holding that song down. These are wonderful. One more time, y'all, give it up, please. The Voices of Cedar Street.
Hello, I'm James Johnson, and this has been a wonderful experience in representing the Voices of Cedar Street from Richmond, Virginia. We're so elated and happy that we had the opportunity to be the forerunners for the state of Virginia as the first choir to make it to the regional round of the House Sweet the Sound Gospel Competition. I thank God for all the support from everywhere in Virginia, from Richmond, from Williamsburg, and right here in Virginia Beach. We're so happy and glad that you guys came up to support us. Love you, and keep coming by the church to see what awesome things we have coming in our ministry. www.csbcog.org. Cedar Street Baptist Church of God. Be blessed.
This production has been brought to you by Image Entertainment, where image is everything.